Claude becomes strategically valuable when it can act, not merely answer. The same tool access that lets an agent edit code, call APIs, browse systems, or operate a computer also expands the blast radius of a mistake. WASP ranks prompt injection as LLM1, while Anthropic requires approval for sensitive operations. Safety is not a break on autonomy. It is the architecture that makes autonomy deployable at scale. OWASP Gen AI Security Project 1. Traditional security assumes software follows deterministic rules. Agentic systems interpret language, ingest untrusted content, and choose actions dynamically. A malicious web page, document, issue, email, image, or code comment can become an instruction channel. OWASP documents direct, indirect, multimodal, and retrieval-based injection paths, including data exfiltration and unauthorized tool use. Better prompting cannot repair a missing trust boundary or an overpowered execution environment. OWASP cheat sheet series, the model is rarely the only point of failure. Risk emerges when broad permissions, sensitive context, external content, and irreversible tools meet inside one loop. A harmless summarization task becomes dangerous if the same session can read secrets, send messages, modify production, or approve transactions. The governing principle is least privilege. Never grant more authority, data, duration, persistence, or network reach than the task actually requires. Claude Platform Docs 1. Claude Code begins with strict read-only permissions and asks before file edits, tests, or system-changing commands. Its control spectrum includes 6 permission modes: default, accept edits, auto, don't ask, bypass permissions, and plan. Each mode trades friction for authority. The breakthrough is not choosing maximum safety or maximum speed. It is selecting a permission posture that matches the reversibility, sensitivity, and consequence of the current task. Claude Platform Docs 1. A secure Claude workflow needs 4 overlapping layers. Identity determines which person or service is acting. Permissions define allowed tools, paths, commands, and MCP servers. Isolation constrains file systems, networks, credentials, and runtime environments. Review governs decisions before they create external consequences. No single layer is enough. Defense comes from overlap, so a missed injection, mistaken command, or compromised integration still meets another boundary. Claude Platform Docs 2. Claude Platform Docs 2. Treat every tool as a capability grant, not a convenience toggle. Use allow lists for required tools, deny rules for prohibited actions, working directory boundaries for files, and explicit approval for project-scoped MCP servers. Subagents should receive narrower access than their parent session. Anthropic's plan-oriented research agents, for example, operate with read-only tools while write and edit are denied. Specialization should shrink privileges, not merely divide labor. Claude Platform Docs 2. Claude Platform Docs 2. Prompt injection changes the trust model because instructions and data share the same language channel. External content must therefore remain untrusted. Even when it looks authoritative, Anthropic warns that text inside web pages or images can override intended behavior. Separate instructions from retrieved material, sanitize remote inputs, validate outputs, restrict network access, and block unexpected tool transitions. Model resistance helps, but containment must survive when resistance fails. Claude Platform Docs 1. Human approval belongs at consequence boundaries, financial transactions, publishing, account changes, credential use, destructive commands, legal commitments, or messages sent to real people. Anthropic specifically recommends confirmation for actions with meaningful real-world consequences. Review the exact action, destination, parameters, permissions, and expected effect, not only the model's explanation. A confident rationale is not evidence that the proposed execution is safe, authorized, or reversible. Claude Platform Docs manual caution does not scale, so policy must become executable. Claude code hooks can run at three cadences, once per session, once per turn, and on every tool call. Pre-tool use can block execution before it happens. Post-tool use can validate outcomes. Permission request can route approvals. Secure automation encodes organizational rules into deterministic checkpoints, preventing safety from depending on attention, memory, or the operator's willingness to inspect another dialog. Claude Platform Docs permissions control what may happen. Observability reveals what did happen. Record tool calls, approvals, denials, change files, external destinations, and final outcomes. Review unusual permission requests, repeated retries, unexpected network access, and behavior that diverges from the original task. Logs must support reconstruction, not surveillance theater. Without evidence, teams cannot distinguish a safe autonomous workflow from a silent near miss or prove that controls operated correctly. Claude Platform Docs 1. The resilient agent loop is deliberate. Classify the task, minimize context, choose the least privilege mode, execute inside isolation, inspect every external input, validate tool outputs, pause at consequence boundaries, record the decision, and verify the final state. If verification fails, stop and recover rather than improvising. Reliability comes from controlled transitions and explicit rollback paths, not from trusting one uninterrupted chain of model. Reasoning from request to completion. Claude Platform Docs 2, Claude Platform Docs 2. The mature goal is not an agent that never asks permission. It is an agent whose freedom expands only where evidence supports it. Start in plan or default mode, observe behavior, allow list repeatable low-risk actions, add sandboxing and monitoring, then automate narrowly. NIST frames AI risk management as an ongoing discipline spanning design, development, use, and evaluation. The strongest systems move quickly because their boundaries are visible, testable, auditable, and enforced. Claude Platform Docs 1